This film supplements the instructions for use and serves to aid understanding. This film is not a substitute for reading and understanding the instructions for use. It is also not a replacement for mandatory instructions or training courses. The PSS AirBoss Agile is equipped with a pneumatic gauge with active backlighting. Furthermore, the PSS AirBoss Agile comes with an automatically activated pass device. Both the gauge and the pass device are equipped with integrated buddy lights. As soon as the wearer opens the cylinder valve, the gauge shows the remaining pressure and activates the pass device. The pass device emits visual and audio warnings in case a firefighter is motionless. A firefighter activates the manual distress signal. The SCBA has detected a certain amount of heat, warning the firefighter to cool the environment. Or the cylinder pressure reaches the low level limit at 55 bar and below. The battery runtime of the PSS AirBoss Agile monitoring system is usually 12 months, 1 hour use per day, for 365 days. To replace the battery and the gauge, unscrew the 4 screws on the top. Take off the battery compartment lid. Replace the batteries. Only use batteries approved by Dräger. Reposition the lid. Retighten the screws. Do not over-torque. To replace the battery in the pass device, detach the pass device from the waist or shoulder strap. Unscrew the 4 screws on the top. Take off the battery compartment lid. Replace the batteries. Only use batteries approved by Dräger. Reposition the lid. Retighten the screws, do not over-torque, and attach the lid. Push and hold the left button on the pass device for 3 seconds until the green LED illuminates continuously. Push and hold the backlight button on the gauge for 6 seconds. The green and white LEDs illuminate continuously and the red LED starts flashing. Hold the pass device and gauge together with the distress signal button facing the gauge. Pairing is complete when the gauge flashes green and orange and the pass device flashes blue and beeps 4 times. After pairing, the pass device and gauge will switch off. The pairing stays in place even after battery exchange until the components are paired another time. The PSS AirBoss Agile can be used with the optional FPS HUD. The HUD automatically picks up the signal of the nearest SCBA and gives the user an indication of the remaining pressure using traffic light style LEDs. Greater than 271 bar fading in and out, red, orange, green, green. Greater than 181 bar, red, orange, green. Greater than 101 bar, red, orange. Greater than 55 bar, red. Less than 55 bar, continuous flashing, red.